The story is related to a cat and a mouse. Ah. In a deep jungle, a cat was found, caught hold of a net.
Yes.
Ah. So the cat was unable to move. At that time, a mouse came to that spot and found the cat inside the net, and he laughed at the cat, and became very free because the mouse used to fear the cat, but when he saw the cat inside the net, the mouse was fearless, so he jumped. He tried to jump. While he was jumping, at that time he found that a owl is on the branch of the tree, and a mongoose is there on the floor. Both of them are inimical to the mouse. You are hearing me?
Yes.
So what happened? Both of them, they tried to devour the mouse. The mouse became puzzled what to do. Here the mongoose is there, the owl is there, here the cat is there, all are its enemy. How to escape from them? Then the mouse thought that a wise man never thinks. He thought a wise man never thinks in despair, whatever great the danger may. And the mouse tried to think over the matter, because the mouse was very wise, and he set out a plan how to deal with the three persons, those who are inimical to the mouse. He thought, let me have friendship with the cat. Though we are having inimical relation, let me have friendship with the cat. And he told the cat, you cat, though by birth you are my enemy and at any time you can devour me, you are having that power. But I want to help you. I want to make friendship with you. The cat became very astonished. How the mouse is telling like that? Because the cat knows that only the mouse can cut the string and get the cat out from the net. So both of them became very friendly. The mouse told to the cat, you cat, I know you are my enemy. Both of you are in the net. In the net. You cannot come out unless and until I will help you. And I am also afraid of the owl and the mongoose. They may devour me at any time. So you promise, if you will help me, I will also help you to cut the string. You are following me? You are following me or not?
Yes.
Then what happened? The cat said, we are friends after all. All right. You are my food. At any time, it is natural that I can devour you. But at this critical juncture, critical time, I will not devour you. I will give you shelter. But on the condition that you will cut the strings and get me out from the net. Then what happened? The mouse, it went inside the net, and he concealed itself in the body of the cat. Seeing that condition, the owl and the mongoose, they thought the cat has already given the rat shelter. We cannot harm in any manner, nor we can devour the mouse. So let us go. So they thought like that and they went away. Then the cat told the mouse, you please cut the string immediately, because at any time the hunter may come and take me away. The rat said, you wait. At the nick of the time, I'll cut it. And when, after some time, when the cat several times approached and requested the rat caught the strings, and the mouse very speedily he jumped to the tree and remained there. The mouse also went inside the hole, and both of them, because if the mouse is inside the hole, they cannot eat, cannot devour the cat, cannot devour the mouse, the cat cannot devour. And if the cat is in the on the branch of the tree, on the tree, then the hunter also cannot take it away. So both are safe now. And the mongoose and the owl, they have also left the place at that time. Now the lesson comes. Now the actual lessons, the moral comes. You hear very attentively. Then when the cat told to the mouse, we are friends after all. Why you are afraid of me? Why you are afraid of me? After we are friends. You should come to me. Let us jump. Let us celebrate that you have saved my life and I have also saved your life. Then the rat told to the mouse told to the cat, friendship and this is the lesson. Friendship and enemy depends on the time and gain and loss. When someone is gaining and someone is losing, they are really friendship to balance it. When there is inimical relation and friendly relation, that depends on the time only. At times, your friend will be your friend, and when you are quarreling with him, he becomes your enemy. So it is the time. So because I was in despair, at that time, you were my friend. And when you are inside the net, I was your friend because I had to cut the string and get you out from the net. So it is the friendship and enemy depends on time, and consideration is loss and gain only. Then the rat told to the mouse, you don't make me fool. I know you are hungry. Till last night you have not taken anything. At any time you can devour me. So I will not go to you. I will not go to you because I know that you'll lose your temper, you'll lose your promise, you'll forget your promise, and you'll devour me because I am your food. So what happened? The rat did not, the mouse did not go to the cat. And what is the lesson thereby? Even if danger has passed away, one should always entertain fear of one who is more powerful than you. Even if danger is passed away, one should always entertain fear of one who is more powerful than you. It means, Bhaiya, what happened? What is the moral of it? All right. One should not make friendship with the inimical partner. A cat and the mouse, can they become friends?
No.
And then the mouse can become friends? Can the mongoose and no, it is not possible. It is not possible. Those are different in nature. One can at any time devour the other. One is the food of the others. So at time you save yourself wisely, applying your common sense and your wisdom One should make friendship for a limited time. But when the time is over, all time to come, you should not believe the inimical person. You should be away from the inimical person. Those who are by birth enemy, you should be away from that. This is the lesson of the story.